Hello, very good evening, namaskar, and sat sri akal to all of you. We had discussed about difference between goals and dreams in our last video. Today, we would talk about how to write and achieve goals. So let's start. Goals are word map of our life, which guides us and gives us very rich and satisfying experiences. Setting goals is the first point in turning invisible to visible. Goals give us long term vision. We all know that writing goals is the most important part of our success. Yet, 83% people do not have goals. 14% have goals but in mind, not written on a paper. Only 3% people write goals on a piece of paper, and probably they are the most successful people on this earth. Research has proved that achieving goals or converting goals into reality becomes far more easier if it is written on a piece of paper. Goals should be ambitious because nothing is beyond our reach. Even impossible become possible provided we have vision and belief in ourselves. While writing goals, be as specific as you can. Your goal should frighten you, it should scare you, it should give you uncomfortable feelings. Only then you would come out of your comfort zone and achieve goals. Setting goals and achieving goals are two different processes. It's same like being interested and committed. If you are interested in becoming a multi-millionaire or having costly branded clothes, big cars, you would try, thinking if it happens, it's fine. If it doesn't happen, it's still fine. But you would remain in your comfort zone. If you are committed, then you would write your goals on a piece of paper, you would review it, analyze it, visualize it, and go all out and ensure that no stone is left unturned because you are committed. Goals can be short term, from 1 month to 1 year. It can be long term, from 2 years to 5 years, 10 years, or even more. We just need a trigger to change our life. History is full of inspirational stories about all those people who started their career as a failure but eventually succeeded. Goals can be on anything, such as personal goals, which includes career progression, getting married, weight loss, and so on and so forth. Object goals means buying a car, buying a house, insurance policy, or maybe a pleasure trip. Financial goals, how much money do you need to earn? How much money you need to save every month to meet your requirements? Let me now give an example about personal goal, career progression. Suppose you are working as a manager and you want to become a general manager within a period of, say, 2 years. So your goal is to become a general manager within 2 years' time. Now, how you would go about it? First, you would find out what are the requirements, how you can become general manager. What qualities do you need to become a general manager? Talk to yourself as honestly as possible and see what are your strengths and weaknesses. Do you need any further educational qualification? If yes, join evening classes, but don't do distance courses. Talk to your immediate boss, ask him for the areas of improvement, and then go about it. So you know what are your goals, you know what are the requirements, you know your weak areas, you know where you need to improve, and then go about it. I remember when I used to work as general manager Middle East and Africa, I used to report to the managing director of the company. Every time he used to visit us, I used to ask him about three things where I needed an improvement. And in the next visit, I used to ask him whether have I improved or not. If not, then what more I need to do it. Also, I used to ask him another 3 points for an improvement. Trust me, my next job was CEO Middle East, Africa, and part of Europe. Another example I would give you about financial goals. You want to earn 60 lakh rupees per annum, which means about 5 lakh rupees per month. You're working as a property dealer. Normally, property dealers get 1% to 2% commission on sales of property, depending on various criteria. So your goal is to earn 60 lakh rupees per annum. How you would go about it? What should be your strategy, your tactics? First, you would gather hundreds and thousands of telephone numbers. You would call at least 50, 60 prospective clients every day. Fix up as many appointments as possible. Show the property to these clients. Provide them extra service of picking them from their home and dropping them back. While taking them, you must explain everything about the property. Who is the builder? What's the reputation of the builder? When the property was launched? When the possession can be given? Which bank can give loan at a very reasonable interest rate? What is the size of the property which you are going to sell? All these things you must know. You have to be very honest, sincere, and knowledgeable because your objective is not to sell one property to this one client. Your objective should be to get 10 prospective buyers references from this client. If you go about it like this, trust me, you would certainly be successful and you would change your life. So, hope I have made it very clear how important it is to write goals on a piece of paper and how to achieve it. In the next video, we would discuss about the secret mantra of success. Till then, Shubh Ratri, Sabakar. Please take very good care of yourself and your near and dear ones. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.